All right, terrible background noise during this whole fucking video, but this part right here has been giving me trouble for a Frigidaire washer and dryer stack. So what I did was remove the door. That part has been like fidgety. I tested it out by unplugging and plugging back in, and so it would work at those times, but still wasn't getting enough power. Got the new part. Uninstalled, reinstalled. As you can see right here, I'm showing off the old one. That one has all the harnesses plugged in. That's the new one there. Okay, so here I'll be removing the harnesses. There's one on the right side here. That's the one I'm removing. It has a little plug in the bottom that you just push down, a little latch, sorry. The one on the left also has that same little latch. Go ahead and remove that one. Those two are the easiest ones. If I could hurry up here. Oh, that last one's a bit tricky, and my dumbass is going to show you right now. There's that bottom right there. If you can find it in the bottom, there's a little latch right there you got to push too. Okay, so also best bet, remove the plug from the wall of the washer, as well as maybe just turning off the power to your fuse box if you really feel like it. But as you can see, I'm replugging now the new part. Okay, so here I finally have it all plugged in. I believe that's the last one. And the worst part about this here is the casing. Now, the casing needs to go on, and I'm going to struggle for a little bit putting it back on. But I'm going to go ahead and fast forward again. Fuck that. Okay, here I'm up. I had to speed it up a little bit, but it took me a while. I finally put the casing back on, and as you can see, it's done. It was a kind of a struggle, but you have to put it right back where it was. There's a little metal plate there that holds it. It's screwed in by these tiny little screws. So you'll put those back in. Should be good to go right after that. Okay, now that it's on back in its place, you could put your door back on and should be good to go. Yeah, so I know it looks like a bunch of nothing, but that wasn't going. It wasn't working. And that one part right there is what got it going again. And also, so you know, this door, right, goes right back in. To take it off, you gotta hit these hooks here. Once it's off, you can see at the bottom here, there's just a little groove for them. But you just pop them out with a flat head and pop the door right off, and you should be able to change that control board. You can find those parts usually like online. On most places will sell the actual genuine parts. So, but there you go. Okay, sweaty, done. Door back on, good to go. All set.